Hey there, Batman fans. Anyways, we are back again, as you guys can see today. Now that Batman fans, we are back. Welcome back to another flashlight unboxing video. Yeah, that's right, Batman fans. I got another flashlight right here for you to do unboxing of, and it's called. Sorry about that, my other flashlight just dropped. Anyways, we got the Lampette de Poche flashlight. I don't know what kind of language that pronounces, but it's LED. And guess what color it is? Yep, my number one favorite color, black. So we're gonna do an unboxing video. And I also got batteries here. 3 of them right here. So let's get this thing opening and unboxing. Alrighty. So let's see here. Well, that's one way to do it. Okay. Okay, really? Really? That's not good. No, come on. I'm okay, Batman fans. I'm okay. Just having... Hang on, Batman fans. Okay. Okay, we're back. Oh, wow. Really? Oh, it's one of these. Reminds me from that silver flashlight from way back. Well, here it is, Batman fans. Ooh, good pressing switch, huh? Really tight. Alright, I think this is where the batteries are. Easy does it. Gotta open it nice and easy. Oh man, are these? Tell me these fit. Please tell me they fit. Please tell me they fit. I hope they do. Please tell me. Please, please, please. Ow! Yes, they do fit. Okay, thank God. And I also appreciate you Batman fans liking the mask. Thank you for that. Oh, what's this little silver thing? Oh, okay. Here we go. Okay, we got the batteries in, Batman fans. Time to stick this in. Wow. Oh, wow, it's all scratched on the screen of the... Wow. It's all scratched. Oh well. But anyway, Batman fans, if you like this video already, smash the like button. Also hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that bell to turn on all notifications every time we do videos. Shoutouts to all my Batman fans and YouTubers out there that subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. This is your boy Batman for Toy Batman. And let me know in the comment section below, Batman fans, what videos games you subscribed, what videos games you want to see me play next. And yeah, Batman fans, this is your boy Batman for Toy Batman. Doing an unboxing video of this flashlight. And of course it's black. Also, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite color? And also, Batman fans, also in the comments, what is your favorite flashlight? Is it this new one that I got? Is it this one that I remember I did a unboxing video on? Or is it this one? This one still works. Or do you like this one? Or this one? This is the very first one I got. Or Batman fans, do you like this one? This little silver one right here. So yeah, Batman fans, that is the Lapad Porche flashlight unboxing, the LED flashlight unboxing. If you like this video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit that bell to turn on all notifications every time we do videos. Shoutouts to all my Batman fans and YouTubers out there that subscribe to the channel, appreciate it. This is your boy Batman for Toy Batman. Thank you for watching, Batman fans. Let me just show you one more time of this new black flashlight I got. Or should I say it's called the LED flashlight. There we go. This is your boy Batman for Toy Batman, Batman fans. And I'll see y'all in the next one. See ya, Batman fans.